Yeah, thank you so much. Wow. In this episode, we start the GOTA Canal, and we're sponsored by the GOTA Canal. Unbelievable individual lock masters taking us all the way through. What a special journey. Hope you enjoy it. Well, this is very exciting because that's where we came from yesterday. And you can see the pleasure boat there on the left hand side for the GOTA Canal. And people, here is the entrance to the GOTA Canal. That is cool. So that's the first lock, it's the Mem sluice. That's where we go in. We've checked the length of our lines, they have to be 11 metres long. And we've got 14 metre lines. We've put the extra big fender at the back there. We've got another fender on the other side. But before we came in here, let's just talk about the GOTA Canal, or the GOTA Canal. You've got to put a little bit of a g in the front there. It's the largest ever engineering project that's been undertaken in Sweden. And it started in 1810 and was finally opened in 1832. It had taken 58,000 army personnel with wooden shovels to dig the canal that joins effectively Mem through to the lakes. So just think about that, 58,000 people from 1810 to manually dig the canals. And it appears like a lot of what they dug out was actually put up on the banks on the side, and they've raised the height of the ground around it. So when it's full of water, you're actually above the surrounding area. So apparently the views along it are absolutely stunning. And I mean, on the GOTA Canal, you can see it out there. You've got these pleasure boats that go along that you can book onto. And then there are actual boats that you can hire if you want to, electric ones. You can cycle it, you can walk it. People can just visit it in RVs and go along it. There's cafes, breweries, bars. I mean, it's unbelievable. The canal itself is 190 kilometres long. The man-made stuff, if you filled that, well, it is full of water. The volume of that canal is 3,400,000 cubic metres. I mean, that's, you can't even get your head around a figure like that. This is right at the very beginning of the season. We're the pre-season in actual fact. So we're going through tomorrow, the first to go through, 5th of May, and then it just gets busier and busier and busier from there. So it's going to be interesting going through. It'll still be pretty quiet, I think, but it means that we're not going to get crowded out. Hopefully some of the cafes and that'll be open. But if they're not, well, that's life. But at least we'll have experienced it, and kind of cool to be the first through for 2026. All right, some other interesting facts about the GOTA Canal. GOTA, pronounced, my understanding is GOTA, not GOTA, GOTA. There are 10,000 trees planted along the canals. So it is effectively the longest avenue of trees anywhere in the world. So that's going to be amazing to see because they'll all be out in leaf. Every year there are 100 lock keepers employed. A lot of it's seasonal work, university students, people like that, but they're well trained, and their job is to safely, pleasantly, and to provide fun for the guests that use the canal. So really looking forward to that. Apparently they guide you in. They're not allowed to actually be involved in the lines, but they guide you in, they guide you out, and you can talk to them about slowing down the water flow. So they're basically there to help. Each year, 4 million people visit the canal, and in total, there's 6,000 metres of pier. So we're 15 metres. I think we're going to find a spot, seeing we're number one to go through. Anyway, that's just a little bit of a brief introduction to the GOTA. We're going to find out so much more about it as we head along it. Really exciting. I think we're going to meet some wonderful people. We're going to see amazing things, and yeah, it's going to be, I think it's going to be a really special part of this whole journey. But come along for the ride. We head off tomorrow. Lots more to learn, no doubt. This is the first lot we're going to go through. I've gone about 7 k's up the canal just doing a recce, sussing it all out. It's going to be cool. Well, good morning. 5th of May, we're going to do the GOTA Canal. Not a very good start though, because they've just put the very first boat in there so that they can show us what to do. They've been fantastic. They said, come and watch this. Well, unfortunately, they've lifted that boat and the engine's failed. So at the moment it's stuck there. They're going to try and work it out. I think they'll pull it off. But anyway, in the end, we're going to start with a cup of coffee and then we'll get underway. Got a lot to tell you about this trip up the Yolta. Things have changed a little bit, but we'll get to that. So maybe give them the stern line first so they can put it over the bollard, and then I can control the bow while we're in there, and then we'll give them the forward line, eh? The guys from the boat in front of us are going to help us. All right, I'll go and start up. All right, this is going to be interesting. So lock number 1, they're just emptying it, then they're going to open the lock up, and then we're going to have to squeeze past that yacht in front of us, and the guys off that yacht are going to give us a hand with the lines because we can't walk up the edge there because of their boat being in the way. But you're always a little bit nervous about the first one, but no, we'll be all right. We'll work out how it all goes and then we'll be away. Thank you. So it's interesting, pretty tight in here, about 3 and a bit metres up. So they're going to put that forward line against a bollard up there, and we have to pull that in tight as we float up, but the stern line gets fixed. Okay. Wow, this is interesting. So we're learning a lot. As always, the first one, they need a longer line. On the website it said 11 metres, but because we're more than 20 tonne, we need a line that goes a lot further forward. Oh, okay, so that felt just a little bit rushed getting out of them, I'm afraid, but you kind of got to tie in with their schedule. So the idea is that they take us on an individual itinerary because we're so early. That way they don't need lock keepers at every lock. So they build an itinerary for you early on, and the lock keeper moves through with you. And apparently a lot of boats use this process just to move themselves from the coast to the inner lakes, or from the lakes to the coast. They're not necessarily doing it for the GOTA Canal. Anyway, we've come along, and that boat that broke down in front of us is now going again apparently, so he's going to catch up. But we're currently in Söderköping. Here it is, beautiful little town. Doc's gone off to do some shopping. I've been just trying to download some video files because we filled up the SD card, and I need a lot of space if we're going to capture some of the stuff going through the locks and that. Right, so this is apparently, do you know, Doc, this is the most famous ice cream shop in the world. Right. And in the summer, that's impressive, we'd be queued to the boat. That's impressive. Waiting. So they've said they're happy for us to video, and they said, are we going to sit down and have an ice cream? I said, you bet we are. Yeah. Right, so yeah. So this is, I can't even say this, Smultronstället. Look, decadent. It's decadent. It is decadent, yeah. What's the name of the place? What's the name of it?
Smultronstället.
Oh, there you go. Smultronstället. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Check that out. That is amazing. Right, let's sit down, Doc, eh? Oh, look at this.
Here comes the Phoenix for you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, I think I quite like yours.
Cookie
Oh no, that's magic.
For you.
Look at that.
There you go. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, thank you so much. Wow.
This is lunch.
You know what's neat about it? It's good for you.
Yeah. What part?
Enjoy. Alright, so we're off tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. They've sorted it so we can go through this lock. There is an electric hire boat available on the GOTA Canal. Another rental boat there. As always, beautiful time of the night. So we think we've worked out basically the process for two of us, because it's not easy with a heavy boat. And most of the boats that come through here are 3, 4, 5 people. But basically, because of the 20 tonne, we have to tie off on the bollards, as we showed you today. And I think what we're going to do is, in locks like this, we'll just come in. Doc will be up on the far side there. And once we're sitting in there, because it's nice and calm generally, I'll throw him the forward line. He'll tie it off on the bollard. That fixes the bow. And at that point I can recheck how things are going in the pilot house, then come back and I'll throw him the line up for the stern. And the stern one, I know I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Once you've got that tied off, you leave it, because the boat always moves forward. So as it comes up, and this loosens off, it goes forward, and all Murray has to do is keep that forward line really tight. So watch the video tomorrow and you'll get a good idea of what we do, but check that out, eh? If there's one thing in Sweden you get, it is beautiful sunsets. Let's just head up here. About to go back and watch Vikings. Oh my goodness, that's bloodthirsty Vikings. But anyway, we're getting through it. We're on season 3 now. Now there's lines here too. There's a line there, you see, and a yellow line over there and on this side. So you put your stern by the yellow line if you're going that way, if you're going down. Anyway, quite a process. And they're basically replacing the entire GOTA Canal lock system. and in places apparently they're even rebuilding the canal, and I think we get to see that a little bit later on. But anyway, there you go, look, isn't that beautiful? So about 50 NZ or 28 US. That's pretty good value, I reckon, don't you? And that includes his 5.7% beer.
Fuck, I didn't, excuse me.
Gosh.
Gosh, I didn't even look at that.